So right now we have 6 interesting update related to the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So we have some rumors related to the color option. According to the Ice Universe, Galaxy S25 Ultra come in the 4 colors: green, blue, black, and titanium. Now next up, we have some information related to the camera lens of the Galaxy S25 Ultra. We now have a new render to show how exactly the S25 Ultra's camera lenses would look. And while it still has that car tire, look, it's not as pronounced as the Z Fold 6, which is good news. The sensor layout, though, is the same as the S24 Ultra. Now, next up, let's talk about the software update. The S25 Ultra will be the first phone that will come with the One UI 7. We got a preview of the software showing some major changes Samsung made. But turns out that wasn't the final version. Samsung has made even more updates since then, including new app icons, animations, and interface tweaks. Other icons, like the ones for the phone, camera, recorder, contacts, and Samsung Notes, are all being updated too. Now if you like customize your own phone, you'll be happy to hear that One UI 7 is supercharging Good Lock with new options. With the help of Good Lock, you can customize. You will be able to change the animation styles in One UI 7. In the One UI 7, we have two option: one that mimics the animations on Google's Pixel phones, and another called the scent of a certain fruit. One UI 7 come with the simple tuning. With the help of simple turning, you can adjust animation speed with a slider. If you want more control, advanced tuning lets you fine-tune everything, from the animation duration to the scale, blur, and more. This is seriously next-level customization. And as someone who's always loved the smooth animations on Pixel and iPhones, I'm really excited to see One UI 7 in the S25 Ultra. So if you like my video, give a thumbs up and subscribe.